So we have some very exciting news to share. Come on in. For the past 2 years, we've been sharing our love for food with you online. And now for the first time ever, we're gonna get to share that passion for food with you in person and for free. It's been a really long process to get here, and it started 8 months ago. This past January, we decided to purchase a building in our hometown of Paris, Tennessee. This is gonna allow us to build out a commercial kitchen set, and we can make 10 times the amount of content for our food brand. It's also gonna be able to serve as the home of our production team at Crove Media. Now, we thought we'd be in the building by March, but clearly that hasn't happened. Everything costs so much more and it takes so much longer than we ever anticipated. We're actually now in the studio space and able to work, but we don't have a kitchen yet. We decided we're gonna raise a little bit of money to build out the kitchen the right way. If you've been following along with us over the past year, you probably know about the barbecue rubs that I've been working on. Well, I'm extremely proud to announce that we finally have our rubs and they're officially gonna be on sale in September. We put so much effort into making these rubs absolutely perfect. We actually went ahead and did a barbecue competition just to test them out. That way we can go ahead and call it an award-winning line of rubs. The money we make from these rubs is going to allow us to build out the perfect kitchen for our studio. One that will allow us to collaborate with more creators, diversify our content, involve more of our fans, and even start on our new cooking courses. That doesn't really explain how you get to eat our food for free though, now does it? So once we decided to actually launch the rubs, I wanted to figure out how I could share them with everybody. I wanted as many people as possible to try our food. Around that time, our friends over at Grill Great were asking if we were interested in doing some tailgate content. And that's when I got the idea. Let's not go cook at one tailgate, let's go do an entire tailgate tour. One where I can travel across the country to tailgate with as many people as possible. And do it in a brand new barbecue trailer. That way I can make a ton of food to give away, play games for prizes, and collaborate with other creators. So we called up a few other brands that have supported us in the past, and the next thing you know, the Tailgate Tour is officially happening. This fall, we're going to be traveling across the Southeast, and with your help, maybe even the Super Bowl. None of this would even be possible without the overwhelming support of the sponsors who have come on board, like Grill Great, Allegro Marinade, Orca Coolers, the Tennessee River Jam, and Cowboy Charcoal. They're the ones who make all of this possible, so please support them and go give them a follow and tell them thank you for supporting us. We also have room for some smaller sponsors, so if you're interested, just reach out and let me know, and we'd love to have you come on board. Be on the lookout for more information on our new line of rubs, our new merch, the Tailgate Tour, and so much more. Thank you so much to the 650,000 plus of you who have supported us along the way. This is a really exciting time and we're just getting started.